Here are the list of 5 best free MP3 tag editors.
1.
Number 1. Edit MP3 tags on Mac, Linux, or Windows. MusicBrainz Picard. Here are some good points of this one. Fast and accurate tagging. Ideal for organizing albums. Available for all platforms. Here are some bad points of this one. Interface looks better on Windows than macOS. Involves a learning curve. You can check out the link in description box.
2.
Number 2. Look up music metadata online, MP3 tag. Here are some good points of this one. Supports a variety of formats. Allows online metadata lookup. Easy to use interface. Here are some bad points of this one. Changes are not saved automatically. Can't edit synced lyrics. Slightly cluttered interface. You can check out the link in description box. Also, if you are enjoying it, then please like this video.
3.
Number 3. Edit your entire music library at once. TigoTago. Here are some good points of this one. Batch editing capability. Lots of organization tools. Here are some bad points of this one. No multi-language support. The interface is not intuitive. You can check out the link in description box.
4.
Number 4. Export playlists as HTML or Excel spreadsheets. Tag Scanner. Here are some good points of this one. Automatically pulls metadata from online databases. Exports playlists as HTML and spreadsheets. Here are some bad points of this one. The interface is not intuitive. Does not support viewing and editing synced lyrics. You can check out the link in description box.
5.
Number 5. Add lyrics to your MP3s. Metatogger. Here are some good points of this one. Works with many formats. Can integrate lyrics from online searches. Here are some bad points of this one. Must download the Microsoft.NET framework. Complex interface. You can check out the link in description box. Thanks for watching this video. Please like this video and share your thoughts in the comment section. Also hit the red subscribe button with the notification bell icon to never miss any future updates from this channel.